children, welcome to Sanvi Naveen channel. So today we are doing from grade 5. The textbook is Tili Kannada. Okay, I didn't get the textbook, so I just xeroxed it. Okay, I just took a print out. Okay, so let's start. Grade 5 children, Tili Kannada. The textbook is Tili Kannada. Okay, in this we'll just read and we'll just understand what is this poem 9, Amma. Okay, the poem 9 is Amma. Who has written this poem? Jambanna Amarachint. Jambanna Amarachint. Amma means what? Amma means mother. Amma means mother. Okay, so let's start. Take out your page number 10 from Tili Kannada textbook, grade 5, Padya 9. Padya 9. Poem 9. Okay. ನಿನ್ನ ನುಡಿಯ ಜೇನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎದೆಯ ಒಲುಮೆಯ ಸಿರಿಯಲಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನುರಾಗದಿ ನೀಡಿ ಜೋಗುಳ ಹಾಡುವೆ ಲಾಲಿಯಲಿ ನಿನ್ನ ನುಡಿಯ ಜೇನಿನಲ್ಲಿ whatever you'll speak, no mother, that is like a sweet honey. Jeeninali means sweet honey. Yadeya valumeya siriyali. Okay, whenever you will hug, whenever you will love us from your heart. Mudde maadi anuragadi needi. You will give mudde means ragi mudde, anything, whatever you'll feed with the happiness. Okay, jogula haduve laliyali, and whenever I want to sleep, that time you will sing lullaby. Okay, the lullaby songs will play, no mothers, when the child is sleeping, that one. ನಿನ್ನ ನುಡಿಯ ಜೇನಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಎದೆಯ ಒಲುಮೆಯ ಸಿರಿಯಲಿ ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನುರಾಗದಿ ನೀಡಿ ಜೋಗುಳ ಹಾಡುವೆ ಲಾಲಿಯಲಿ. Okay, this is a first stanza. Second stanza. ಮನೆಯ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡುಕಿಟ್ಟು ನಭಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಲು ಕಲಿಸಿ. ಮನೆಯ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡುಕಿಟ್ಟು ನಭಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಲು ಕಲಿಸಿ. ತಪ್ಪು ನೆಪ್ಪುಗಳ ಮರೆತು ಕರುಣೆಯಲಿ ಊಟೆ ಎಂದದಿ ನೆಗೆನೆಗೆದು ಬರುವೆ ಆರಸಿ. ಊಟೆ ಎಂದದಿ ನೆಗೆನೆಗೆದು ಬರುವೆ ಆರಸಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅರಸಿ. ಮನೆಯ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡುಕಿಟ್ಟು ನಭಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಲು ಕಲಿಸಿ. ತಪ್ಪು ನೆಪ್ಪುಗಳ ಮರೆತು ಕರುಣೆಯಲಿ ಊಟೆ ಎಂದದಿ ನೆಗೆನೆಗೆದು ಬರುವೆ ಅರಸಿ. So your house, when your mother is there, no children, when the baby, for the child, the mother is a first teacher, and your home only is a first school for you. Okay, what you will go for nursery, that is second school, and that all are second teachers, but your first teacher will be your mother, and the first school will be your home itself. Okay, and your mother will teach everything. Okay, mother will teach how to walk, how to run, right? Everything she will teach. She will not say, hey, you will fall, don't walk, right? She will not. She will hold your hand, she will walk slowly, your father or mother. Correct, no children? And whatever we will do the mistakes, she will not raise, right? Whenever she will get angry, yes, little, okay, but she will not raise and she will not beat the child, right? She will always just hide your whatever your faults will be there, whatever you'll do wrong things, she will just avoid it. She will not give any punishment for that. Okay, next. So ಮನೆಯ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಡುಕಿಟ್ಟು ನಭಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಲು ಕಲಿಸಿ. ತಪ್ಪು ನೆಪ್ಪುಗಳ ಮರೆತು ಕರುಣೆಯಲಿ ಊಟೆ ಎಂದದಿ ನೆಗೆನೆಗೆದು ಬರುವೆ ಅರಸಿ. Okay, next, this is second stanza. Third stanza. ಮಹಾತ್ಮನಿರಲಿ ಮಂಕನಿರಲಿ ಜಗದೊಡೆಯ ನಾಗಲೆಂದು ಹರಸುವ ಮಾತೆ. ಜಗದೊಡೆಯ ನಾಗಲೆಂದು ಹರಸುವ ಮಾತೆ. ಜಗದ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒಡೆಯ, okay, like that. Jagada means earth, full world. Vadaya means leader, okay, like that. ಮಹಾತ್ಮನಿರಲಿ ಮಂಕನಿರಲಿ ಜಗದೊಡೆಯನಾಗಲೆಂದು ಹರಸುವ ಮಾತೆ, ಗುರಿ ಮರೆತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ದಿಕ್ಸೂಚಿ, ನೀ ಬರೀ ಅಮ್ಮಳಲ್ಲ ನಡೆದಾಡುವ ದೇವತೆ. ಗುರಿ ಮರೆತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ದಿಕ್ಸೂಚಿ, ನೀ ಬರೀ ಅಮ್ಮಳಲ್ಲ ನಡೆದಾಡುವ ದೇವತೆ. So in this paragraph what they have said, whether the child, whether the baby, whether the kid will be Mahatma. Mahatma means very great person. Manka, very dull person. Whatever it may be. But the mother never ever say, my son is bad at all. She will never say. Okay. So what she will think always, my son should be a leader for this world, for this universe. Like that the mother will think. Okay. Always she will wish like that. Always she will pray like that. ಗುರಿ ಮರೆತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ದಿಕ್ಸೂಚಿ. ದಿಕ್ಸೂಚಿ means you will show me the way. If I will forget something, if I went in a wrong path, the mother will say the correct path for you. The mother will say or show correct path for you. Okay. ನೀ ಬರೀ ಅಮ್ಮಳಲ್ಲ ನಡೆದಾಡುವ ದೇವತೆ. You are not only just a mother, you are a ನಡೆದಾಡುವ ದೇವತೆ means walking God. So obviously, so that's why before God you should treat your parents like that, children. Okay, if you'll treat very well with your parents, no need to say what worship to the God, because parents are is equals to God, right? Correct, no, children? So that's why you have to understand your parents, you have to give respect to your parents, you have to take blessing from your parents. Whenever you are going out, daily while going to school, just take a blessing, just touch their feet and take their blessing. Give a hug when you'll come back, give a hug, give a warm hug to your mother, to your father. They'll feel very good. Correct, no? Like this small habits, you just do it. It's very good. So let's read one time. ಅಮ್ಮ ಜಂಬನ್ನ ಅಮರ ಚಿಂತ್. ನಿನ್ನ ನುಡಿಯ ಜೇನಿನಲಿ ಎದೆಯ ಒಲುಮೆಯ ಸಿರಿಯಲಿ, ಮುದ್ದೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅನುರಾಗದಿ ನೀಡಿ ಜೋಗುಳ ಹಾಡುವೆ ಲಾಲಿಯಲಿ. ಮನೆಯ ಮೊದಲ ಪಾಠ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಗುಟುಕಿಟ್ಟು ನಭಕೆ ಹಾರಲು ಕಲಿಸಿ, ತಪ್ಪು ನೆಪ್ಪುಗಳ ಮರೆತು ಕರುಣೆಯಲಿ, ಊಟೆ ಎಂದಿದೆ ನೆಗೆನೆಗೆದು ಬರುವ ಅರಸಿ. ಊಟೆ ಎಂದಿದೆ ನೆಗೆನೆಗೆದು ಬರುವೆ ಅರಸಿ. ಮಹಾತ್ಮನಿರಲಿ ಮಂಕನಿರಲಿ ಜಗದೊಡನೆ ನಾಗಲೆಂದು ಹರಸುವ ಮಾತೆ, ಗುರಿ ಮರೆತ ಬಾಳಿಗೆ ನೀ ದಿಕ್ಸೂಚಿ, ನೀ ಬರೀ ಅಮ್ಮಳಲ್ಲ ನಡೆದಾಡುವ ದೇವತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ. ಓಕೆ, grade 5 children, ಅಮ್ಮ. ಓಕೆ, that's it children. Bye bye, take care.